Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change the color of any object inside the Adobe Premiere Pro. And I show you the easiest way to color. It's going to be a super in-depth tutorial. We will cover a lot of different techniques and plugins, so make sure you watch the video till the end so you don't miss out anything. Now if you're watching my video for the very first time, please do consider subscribing to the channel, and hit the bell icon so that you will get every new video notification from this channel. And if you already subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to support the content. That's it, let's jump into Adobe Premiere Pro and get started. Enjoy! We are in Adobe Premiere Pro, so first place your footage on the timeline. In my case I am using this footage clip. Then click on Window, then open the Lumetri Color tab. Inside the Lumetri Color open HSL Secondary. Select the Color Picker tool, then select the color you want to change, and here I am going to change the dress color. Then click on Color Gray checkbox, so now I can properly mask this color. Then again select the color picker and select the yellow color where it's not selecting. And I think it's close enough. Now adjust a little bit with HSL selection. The first H means hue, you can change it, the second one S means the saturation, and the top arrow increasing and decreasing saturation, and the bottom arrow about to feather. And the last one is L, which means luminosity or lighting. So all the properties depend on your object, so play around with the selector until the complete object is color. And I think it's perfect for me. Now refine the selection with denoise and blur, and it's actually feathers the selection and makes it more smooth. And lastly choose any color, and play with the color temperature, tint, contrast, sharpen, and saturation. Also if you like you can brighter and lighter the color, so that's it. And it's before and after. You can change the color shadow, midtone, and saturation. We are done. Let's see the final preview. So that's it for today guys. If you enjoy this tutorial please give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.